Now I'm cooking the patatim. Have done already the frying of pig chunk. The pig it's already cut. And now I'll put oil to fry the onion and garlic. Here's the ingredient. Onion, garlic, the banana blossom, the pineapple, the soy sauce, the sugar, and the oyster sauce. And the ketchup. This is my way of cooking banana, cooking patatim. So I start now frying the onion and garlic. So I did this brown until the aroma will come out. This is the patatim the way I cook. So the pig chunk is already fried. And all the ingredient is here. The coke, the pineapple, the blossom, banana blossom, the oyster sauce, sugar, and silver swan soy sauce, and tomato ketchup. So here, that until it's brownish. And also here are our backyard garden here, the flower garden, the roses, the Italian